Hey guys, today we're going to go over customer pricing inside the CronySoft BackOffice CRM module. Customer pricing, this allows you to create custom pricing for specific customers. This is useful when you want to offer special items, prices to a business owner, wholesale customer, or any customer who should receive a different price than the regular retail price. To begin, go to the CRM and click Customer Pricing. From here, click Create. If you do not already have a pricing template, click the plus sign to add a new template name. Then save it. This template will be used to group the special prices you want to assign to a customer. Once the template is created, click Edit. Now you can start adding items to the template. You can scan the item barcodes or search for the items manually that you want to include. These are the items that will receive special pricing for the selected customer. After the items are added, you will see details such as price type, barcode, item name, cost, retail price, and price value. On the right side is where you can enter the customer price. This is the price the customer will receive when the item is sold to them at the POS. There are a couple of ways to set customer price. You can enter an exact special price, or you can apply a discount amount. For example, if the regular retail is $1.35 and you want this customer to pay $1.25, you can enter the customer price directly. You can also set a discount amount, such as $5 or $20 off, depending on how you want the pricing to work. Most customers, they use either the exact price option or the discount option when setting up the customer pricing. Once you're done updating the items, close the window. The customer pricing template will be saved automatically. Now that the pricing template is created, the next step is to assign it to the customer. So go back to the CRM, then open Customers and find the customer you want to apply this pricing and click Edit. In the customer profile, look for the pricing template field and select the template you just created. Then save that customer record. Once this is done, the customer is now connected to that pricing template. Whenever that customer is selected or entered at the POS, the system will apply the special prices from the template for those selected items instead of changing the regular retail price. Customer pricing is a powerful tool for stores that work with business accounts, wholesale customers, or repeat customers who receive special pricing. And that completes the customer pricing setup inside CronySoft BackOffice. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in our next video.